guys, it's Paige. Today we are going to play Guess Who with these 8 kids. So I'm going to describe one of the kids, and you have to tell me who you think it is. Are you ready to get started? Our first person is a girl. She's got brown eyes, and she's got dark brown hair. Her hair is very long. Do you know who it is? It's Keiko. It's Keiko. Are you ready for the next person? Our second person is a boy. He's wearing a blue shirt. He's got blue eyes, and he's got long blonde hair. Can you tell who it is? It's Peter. It's Peter. Great job. Let's do our third person. Are you ready? Our third person is a boy. He has brown hair. His brown hair is straight. Can you know who it is? No, because there are 2 boys with brown straight hair. So you also need to know his eyes are light brown. Can you tell who it is? It's Sam. It's Sam. Good job. And now for our final Guess Who. This person has long hair. Their hair is red and curly. Their eyes are dark brown. Can you guess who? It's Carly. Yep, she's Carly. Thank you for playing along with me, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Goodbye.